Hi everyone, welcome back to Teaching Bee, where we do fun activities at home with our toddlers. Before we go ahead and get started, please hit that subscribe button, as it better helps us with this channel to keep it going. If you have anything that you want to see as far as a tutorial on a math problem or another activity, please place it down in the comments below. Otherwise, let's go ahead and get started. Today's activity is something that you can do all year round. It's making handprint birthday cards. For this project, all you'll be needing is a blank piece of white paper, a couple of coloring utensils. In this case, we're going to be making a bumblebee, so I'm going to use yellow paint with my toddler, and we're going to paint his palms. We are going to use googly eyes because it's just a fun thing we like to do. You can always just draw in the googly eyes. So we will start with our fun little saying. So we are going to be saying happy birthday, and then you're going to simply draw a bumblebee outline in the middle, and then I left space for the googly eyes, and then I left space on each side for his handprints. So when he comes out, we'll paint both hands, he'll do his handprints. So it's all ready to go. Toddlers have a short attention span, so this is great just to be quick, hands-on, have a little bit of fun, and then they're done for the day. For us, once everything's dry, we'll go ahead and, like I said, glue the two pieces together and then fold it. And then as far as the front and the back, you can be as creative as you want. You can say happy birthday so-and-so, whatever you want to do, and be as creative as you can be. But that is a simple, fun, at-home activity to do with your toddlers for a birthday card. As always, have a great day.
What are we going to make?
So today we're going to make some birthday cards for our uncles. Does that sound good?
Yeah.
All right. So what insect is that?
A bumblebee.
A bumblebee. What's the bumblebee missing?
It misses his wings and his eyes.
Yeah. So we're going to make wings with your hands. So I'm going to paint your hands, and then when we're done with that, you're going to help me glue on some googly eyes. So we're going to do this hand first.
Why not thumb?
We'll do the thumb too. Today we will do all the fingers. There's some projects where we don't need the thumb, but today we're going to use the thumb.
And that one. Just a little bit with
Oh, that one?
Just a little bit with that too.
Where?
Right there.
Oh, thank you. Did I get it? This one? Did I get that finger too? All good?
It's on you too.
That's okay. Okay. Ready? So we're going to go right there. Ready? 3, 2, 1, drop. 1, 2, 3, lift. Good job. All right, let's get that one a little bit cleaned up so then we can do your other hand. Good. What color are we working with?
Yellow.
Yellow. Okay.
Go.
Dry. Good. Good job. All right, now let's paint this hand. Go ahead and flip it over. Okay, do we get everything?
Yep.
Alrighty. So same thing, but on this side like that. Okay, ready? Drop, turn. Here, we'll do it like, do it like that. That way you can just go like that. Ready? 1, 2, 3, drop. Good. 1, 2, 3, lift up. Good job. So now we have the wings of our
Bumblebee.
bumblebee.
I will do it.
Okay, go ahead.
Get all the paint off.
Yeah, and then you can dry your hands. All right, so now you're gonna put them where I put the glue. So we're gonna put one eye right there and one eye right there. You go ahead and do it. Good job. Remember, he slides around, so just put it right there and let it go. Okay, there's one. Good. Good. Very good. Right there, let go. So now when it dries, all that glue will dry, and we have made our
Caterpillar.
oh, caterpillar. It does kind of look like one, but it's actually a
Bumblebee.
bumblebee. So we'll let that dry. High five. Woohoo!
Messy high five.
Messy high five. Yeah.